Hey team, this is Valeria from GetSales team, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use the Gmail boxes and Outlook boxes to send your outreach messages to your email users and scale your outreach in a more effective way together with LinkedIn strategy. So let's hop on. So we can actually try our newly connected box to send an email from the Outlook account or from Gmail account. So essentially, we would add a sender profile in the automation. And because I have one sender profile and 3 boxes connected to them, so essentially my sender profile would be added to with those inboxes, all of them inside the automation. So keep this in mind. If you would like to separate how you send your messages to Gmail accounts or how you send it to Outlook accounts, you might consider adding 2 separate senders and connecting the Outlook boxes separately to the specific senders. And then this way you can actually do the separation. So you add the emails as a segment inside the automation, and then you select 2 sender profiles, how they would be working like. So this would work something like this. Or maybe I will do this one. Great. Okay. So now I have another sender profile. So I'm going to just disconnect Outlook here. And when you delete the mailbox, if in case there are some tasks that are currently assigned to it, so like this box has been added to the active automation, you can reassign them to another mailbox. I don't have really any tasks right now. I just added this, so that should work. Okay, so here I want to add the Outlook. Everything has been already configured in the admin center of Microsoft. Boom. Okay, super easy again. Cool. So here you see the logic. This sender profile has Gmail accounts and this sender profile has Outlook accounts. Then we would just like to set up an automation. Essentially, if we know that the specific email has this one is a Microsoft email and another email is a Gmail. So essentially, when you are importing the leads, the easiest way to kind of differentiate those segments would be during the import. Let's say you are importing like a CSV file. When you import the contacts, you run the separate imports for Gmail accounts, and then you run separate one for the Microsoft one. You select the tag that you would like to save. So let's say Gmail email, something like this. And you can also add the tags to potential duplicate contacts that have already been in the database before. And then you press on continue, you do the mapping, and so on and so forth. And then you run a separate import again. And here you enter Outlook email, MS email, whatever helps you to differentiate the email boxes and improve your deliverability. So this is one of the kind of tricks that you can use, or you might have some other cases as well. And then you would do the following. So here I'm going to select the first sender profile to send to Gmail inboxes. And then I'm going to add another segment. So let's say this segment will be within autofilter Gmail, right? I don't have it, so I'll just select like some random one, but just to show you. And then I select another sender profile, right? And here, essentially, we would just be doing exactly same automation, but then we would be sending the emails from Gmail to Gmail boxes, from Outlook to Outlook boxes. So this is how you can actually differentiate those and make sure that you have the best deliverability here. And then you just select to send email. And then you can add some text that would be sent here. Great. So this is one of the emails that I have created to do the testing. And then if you want to add like the unsubscribe link, you can add it here. Cool. Essentially, that would look like this. And then you can create the note. And then the email would be sent. Also, you can do kind of the same with the combination of LinkedIn messages and email messages. So in this case, for example, you want to target only like newly connected leads, and you would like to outreach them through 2 channels. So in this case, you would adapt your automation to look like this. You would first check for the connection. So in this case, the leads definitely need to have the valid LinkedIn ID, right? So you would select 1 minute to check for if you're already connected with them. If you are connected with them, then maybe you don't want to do like an outreach, but maybe you have some other logic. I will just add an automation here. And if you are not connected, you can send the connection request, right? And then you would need to wait for them to be connected with you. And you can leave like 5 days, then you can like latest post, and then you can wait 3 more days. So that would be like 8 days in total. You wait for their connection. And if they're connected, you can send them a message, right? There will be some message. And if they are not connected, you can either check if they have like a work email in your CRM. So that will look like this. Email status has work email, right? You would select to apply this filter. So if they have the work email, then you can target them via email. If they don't have a work email, then you can also target them via email in this case, but you would just add a check if they have the open profile to target them via email, or you can just target it right away and just, if you don't have any email credits or something else, we will return the arrow to you. So again, you can just try your luck with emails if you don't have premium or sales nav, and just send some emails to open profiles. Cool. So this is like 3 channels that you are having here, and you can just continue this kind of sequence and send several more messages, like you wait 3 more days and send another message, and you do the same with an email. So all the metrics will be tracked here. You will see the conversion, so you can adapt it to your kind of needs. But I hope the logic was kind of clear of how you can do this, and especially differentiate if you have both Outlook and Gmail boxes and you would like to target the contacts based on this kind of like criteria. I hope this was helpful, and let us know if you have any questions. We would be happy to help you out.